Hi friends, welcome back. In the last video, I spoke about the portfolio rules which I'm gonna follow going forward for this portfolio. So let's go to this portfolio dashboard holdings currently at 2.4. So as you can see here, the holdings are 21. When I started this channel, there were total 29 stocks, and before I made the last video, there were 24 stocks. I removed 4 names. So let's go to console and let's go to reports, P by L, last 30 days. Let's click on this one. I sold Nestle India. When did I buy this? I bought this in 2024, October. So the quantity was 950 shares for a total value of 12 lakhs approximately. And now I think it was yesterday or day before yesterday, I sold these shares, all of them, and registered a loss of 57,000 rupees. The reason why I sold this company is, one, I wanted to take out some names from my portfolio. So when I look at these companies like Asian Paints, Astral, Berger Paints, they are growing at a very decent rate, whereas Nestle, I don't expect it. It's my opinion. I don't expect it to grow at a very high rate. It's a very safe, stable compounder, but it's not a mega super duper compounder in my opinion. So that's the reason why I sold this, to get down from 24 stocks to 20 stocks in the pursuit of getting to 20 stocks, and then after this so why did I buy it in the first place? In 2024, I wanted, I was not focusing too much on uh, stock picking. So I just wanted to be safe. I wanted my money to be in the safe place. I thought Nestle was a very good bet. It's a safe, stable compounder. But now, as I am paying more attention to my portfolio, I want to go after, consistent, uh, high growing compounders. For that reasons, I sold Nestle. And let's go with LIC, life insurance. The reason I bought this was because of its brand. Every Indian knows this. Life insurance, LIC. It's like a household name. That's the very reason I bought that company. And I thought of holding it for a very long period of time. But yesterday, I sold it. And the reason being the same thing. It's a safe, stable compounder, but it's not a huge, high growing company. Guys, again, these are all my opinions, and I could be completely wrong. So do not take my word for anything, whatever I share here. It's just for educational purposes, and I'm documenting my journey. I want this is how I'm managing my portfolio, and I'm showing it. That is it. So if I sell this, you need not sell it. My opinion is mine. That's it. So I registered a loss of 34,000 on this LIC. I bought it at 931 rupees and sold it at a loss 899, approximately 10 lakh rupees when I bought it. And now another company which I sold was Hindustan Unilever, mega company, same stable compounder. I put like 6 lakhs. When did I buy this? Same 24 October. When did I buy LIC? 24 November. So within a year of buying, I'm selling all of these: Nestle, LIC, and Hindustan Unilever. I registered a loss for these three companies. They did not appreciate much. It's okay. It is what it is. And then I bought this liquid case is like, I mean, it's equivalent to cash. Uh, yeah, I put all of this money, almost 33 lakhs worth of liquid case, which is like a fixed deposit. You can consider it like that. I put all of that into uh, liquid case, which is a cash position, which I'm trying to build. And then Eris Life Sciences, which I bought it in 2023 March. So I held it for 23, 24, 25, 2.5 years approximately, right? I bought it at 573 rupees for 5 lakhs worth. I sold it at 13 lakhs, a profit of 9 lakhs. Yes, three baggers, bro. Three bagger. Yeah, I'll take it. So why did I sell this company? I wanted to show it on screener.in. which is a wonderful website. Okay, Eris Life Sciences. So I'll tell you the reason why I bought this company in the first place. All right, I read this book called Coffee Can Investing by Saurabh Mukherjee. It's a beautiful book. Uh, Basically, it says return on capital employed average greater than 15 every single year, and sales growth about 10% every single year. If you make a portfolio of these companies which qualify these criteria, he says that would be a wonderful portfolio which can generate huge and that's the strategy he proposes in that book. So that I was trying to implement the same thing to this. So I thought this Eris Life Sciences at that time fit that criteria. So that was the reason why I bought Eris Life Sciences. But today, if you go to this return on capital ratios, the basically return on capital is how much money, how much returns a company is generating on the capital it uses. For example, if it uses 100 rupees capital and it generates 20 rupees returns on it, ROCE is 20%. So when, if you can see, I bought it in 2023, it was above 15% consistently, though it was very high in the beginning years. But in the last 2 years, it went down very much. It went down a lot. I don't know the reasons. Maybe they are venturing. I don't know the exact reasons why this went down, but I am more of a quant guy. I did not even bother to read the annual reports. It's okay. That's how I do it, at least for now. So I don't like this number going down. That's the reason why I took out this company from my portfolio, right? So I sold Nestle, LIC, Hindustan Unilever, Eris Life Sciences. I sold four. I sold four, and I bought Liquid Case. So if you see now, let's go to my portfolio analytics. Right now, debt is around, okay, equity is 87%, debt, which is the one which I just showed you, liquid case, is around 14%. And yeah, this is my asset allocation right now, around 14% in cash, which I would be deploying if there is a very good opportunity, a high quality company at a decent price. Then I would be deploying this. I would liquidate all of this money and buy that company. For now, I do not see any opportunities. All right, these are the changes. So number of stocks 21. So this is the document of my portfolio rules. So if you look at rule number 8 in my portfolio management rules, the number of stocks is 10 to 20. Now if you see, the number of stocks is 21. The 21st position is cash, so it's not a stock technically. So we are satisfying this rule now, which means we are within this range. That is good. And now I would, going forward, I would not be selling any stock mostly unless these numbers are violated, which is, if, just like as I explained with Eris Life Sciences, if the return on capital goes below 15, then I will sell it. And if the sales go down a lot, like 7%, 8%, then also I will sell. Other than that, I am not going to touch that 20 stocks. If that is it, I am not going to touch those 20 stocks. So basically, I have to follow these two rules going forward. I am not going to sell if a company is doing well with ROCE greater than 15 and sales greater than 10%. For example, if you see, there is my watch list on screener. So these are all the companies, the 20 companies which are there in my portfolio. So the sales, the worst sales is with NCC. The reason I am holding it is because Rekha Junjunwala ma'am is still holding. That is the strategy which I am applying, cloning strategy. I bought this because Rakesh Junjunwala bought it. So I was implementing the cloning strategy. She is still holding NCC. So I'm not going to look at any of these numbers. I'm just going to follow her. And Asian Paints, if this goes below 8, I'm going to sell it. And most probably, I don't think it will go below 8. And that's it, guys. Unless this sales number goes below, unless this number goes below 8, I'm not gonna sell it, any of these stocks. So these 20 stocks, I hope they don't hit sales less than 8. Their sales don't go below 8, so we are not gonna sell them. And more importantly, guys, this is the new one which we added, Varun Beverages Limited. We added Varun Beverages Limited. And guys, one more thing, the most important thing for the, maybe I stopped trading in 2014, okay, and since then I think I've never traded, uh, especially in futures. I stopped trading literally, and it was today, and I was the one who told trading doesn't make money, trading loses money the whole way, and I believed it so much that trading is very dangerous. And even today I'll say the same thing, that majority of the people who trade lose money. It's not just me saying, it's the statistics. But I initiated a trade today. I bought a future. I bought a future of DMart, October future. I am going to trade. Yes. So in Zerodha, I'm going to open a secondary DMAT account and put all of these long-term holdings in that, and I'm not going to touch them unless the fundamentals break. And as you have seen already, that we have 33 lakhs of liquid case, so against which we are going to take the collateral margin and start trading in futures. And why am I doing this? I I implemented a strategy in 2014, along with my friend, who gave me some capital, around 20,000 rupees, I believe. And I had my own like 20,000 rupees. So we put up together 40,000 rupees, and I traded this strategy, and I made a profit of 80,000 rupees on top of this 40,000 rupees, to a total of 1,20,000 rupees. So we were partying literally every day, like, man, we got this. We got this. We cracked the code. We are going to be a multi-millionaires. So let's party every single day. We used to literally make like 2 to 3,000 every single day and go party. It went good until the last day, where I bought two futures in Jindal Steel, and it was in the afternoon one day, and there was something going on in the news. uh, Supreme Court gave an order in on Jindal Steel, saying there was something. I don't remember exactly what happened, but all I can remember was the stock went down so much that I lost around 35 to 40,000 on a single trade, and I did not put the stop loss. So that was, I did not put the stop loss, and I had to lose so much money, and I did not have the confidence, and our capital went back to 40,000, like 35,000 around. Because from 120, so we ran 40,000 to 120,000. We partied. We wasted a lot of money in partying, and we lost money on the last trade. So the capital went back to 35,000 something, and we did not have the confidence going forward. And that's it. I gave up on that trading strategy. But so I was like chatting with ChatGPT. Um, I told it that I have had success in the past with this strategy. What do you think if I'm gonna implement that going forward, with some strict stop loss and some strict risk is to reward ratios with good position sizing and all of that? Do you think I have a chance? And the answer I got was, yes, I do have a chance. So I thought, why not, you know, do those do that trading live here on YouTube and show it to you guys transparently. If it works, hell yeah, we're gonna make some lot of money. If it doesn't, it's okay. We are gonna lose some. So the cap I put was on, I'm gonna call it off when we lose like maybe 20 lakhs. Yeah, that is the last number which I put for this strategy. If I lose 20 lakhs on this strategy, I'm done with that strategy. I'm not gonna trade again. I mean, unless I come up with another strategy. So yes, we are going to do trading, and I put the name as long-term game for this channel, and I'm here sitting talking about trading. Hey, if it works, we're gonna make money. If it doesn't, we're not gonna lose much. Heads, I win big. Tails, we don't lose much. And let's see how it goes. We are gonna track every single trade going forward. Now I bought DMart October future today at 42.60. The stop loss is 41.98. All right, which is 62 rupees loss. Stop loss at 4198. That is, we will lose 62 rupees into 150, because that's 150 shares. 150 into 62. This is how much we are losing if we lose on this trade. The target is 62. Let's open this chart. 43.75. Target is 4375. So 4375 is the target. Our entry price is 4260 times 150. Profit would be 17,250. If we lose this much. If we win this much. What do you think? Let's go. Let's trade the markets. Yeah, this is the strategy I'm following. So basically what I did is this. Whoa, I don't know what is this. Okay, whatever. So the market kept going down, but the RSI is, making higher highs, which means RSI divergence. And I entered here, hoping that the market would turn like this. That's it. Let's see how it goes. Wish me luck, and let's do this. Wish me luck, guys. Please follow along for more updates on my portfolio. Thank you and peace.